Whoa!
Is that what this is for?
All right, we're in a big neighborhood yard sale at a very high-end area. You know, these are definitely big money houses, so we'll have to see. The line of cars on this street is crazy, so we're gonna have to do some walking. But that's all right. It'll be fun, right?
I like exercise.
All right, let's go. Hey, babe, look. Babe. We have the same one.
Yeah, but not a lot, because...
All right.
I like the coffee one. I think we have one before.
You think this is good?
We have one of those before.
I don't know, ask him how much it is.
Yeah, how much is your coffee maker?
How much is the Mr. Coffee?
That's not coffee maker, it's latte and espresso.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Cappuccino.
That's the language, like cappuccino.
Yeah. How about $8?
$8.
For the whole thing.
There's instructions.
Is it new?
Let's put it this way, hardly ever used.
Hardly ever used.
But it works, right?
Oh yeah, it works. We check them all before we put them on.
It's too bad somebody bought it, we had a frother, to really froth it up and
Oh,
somebody
yeah,
bought
yeah.
it.
Yep.
That's okay. Drop just gets on my face.
So do you want it?
Would you take 5 for it?
5, how about, what did I say, 8, how about 6?
Okay, we'll do that.
I need a heavy bag, Jeff.
$6. This is really nice. Oh, thank you very much.
That should be okay.
Should hold it. Oh yeah, that'll be fine. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Now I don't have to drink coffee. Thank you.
Enjoy it. Hi, how are you?
Good of you.
Well, thank you.
What's this? Oh.
A floppy disk. Do you know what that is?
Old technology.
I learned about that one.
Did you?
I've
Yeah?
never seen one in the flesh.
I remember floppy disks way back in the day. Take a buck a piece on these?
25 cents each.
25 cents each? All right, I'm gonna give you $1.
We were at a...
I don't have any change, so here, take $1.
Okay,
Thank you so
Thanks.
much.
okay. Have fun.
What's that?
I said I know you guys.
You know us?
Yeah.
How?
You too.
How you doing?
Chris.
Ryan, nice to meet
Yeah,
you.
you guys are one step ahead. Yeah, I actually commented on your video that one time, like that lighter that I found.
That was you?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I found that lighter and I looked at it
know.
and I set it down. I'm like, oh, that's probably nothing. And then you're like,
I still haven't sold it. Hilarious. All right, good luck, guys.
see you later.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
That was cool.
That's so cool.
Pam always gets excited when we get recognized. That was cool. Good meeting you, Chris.
You know what's weird is like, I get excited because, like, I get excited to meet them.
Yeah. That was cool.
He was like, I know you guys. And I'm like, and I never know, like that lady that once that was like Thrift Mine. And then I like obviously knew why she knew us.
Yep.
But then I'm like, oh no, like, how do you know us? What did we do?
That was cool. Thanks for saying hi, dude.
Yes, I love it. Like, I just love people, actually.
Whoa.
Is that what this is for?
There you go.
What is it? Oh, geez. So they go on the back of chairs. They're actually chairs.
Oh, really?
Oh,
Like you put them on the back of chairs. So
my bad.
at Halloween time, I had these on the pillars outside.
Yeah.
Okay, and I made like they look like the soldiers standing out there.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
I made the house look like the witch's castle, and then
Oh, that's cool.
from Wizard of Oz.
Wow.
So I literally
Yeah,
did
you
this whole
probably
thing.
still
but
have
yeah.
Dorothy's slippers in there somewhere.
Yeah.
I did see him in there, yeah.
Yeah, the red slippers,
Yep.
the ruby slippers.
Yeah.
Those were because we put a house outside with her on it, and then we had to have like some big red shoes so that
Yeah.
you know it was like the witch that got
You can't
Really
do
like
that
the
here
concept.
because
Yeah,
we're an
yeah.
association.
Yeah.
There's
Oh,
limits on
yeah.
what we
They
can
don't,
do.
they
Yeah.
don't support people being hit by houses and stuff.
No.
No.
Not at all. Not at all.
No.
You don't sound like you're from here. You sound like you have a little accent.
No, I'm from here.
She gets that all the time. Believe it or not, she's from New Hampshire, but it sounds like she has a southern accent, right?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
It does. So that's why I was like,
But I
Yeah.
hear my aunt's the same way, and she's from here. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna blame her.
okay.
Just how she talks. All right, you guys have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Hi, how are you? Good morning. It's cool.
You want a bag for that?
I don't know. Do you want a bag?
It's your house.
Sure.
Why not?
$1.
I just don't want to. Oh,
There you go. Thank you. Thank you. You have a good one.
you too.
What's up? Do you have any of the video game consoles or?
I sold, yeah, I had PlayStation 2. and
Already
sold it.
sold? Okay,
Yeah.
no problem. I just figured I'd ask.
Yeah, so absolutely. And I think my son has something upstairs, and if you can believe it, he's keeping it for one game.
Oh,
I'm
wow.
like, are you kidding me? And he's 28.
Really?
Oh,
That's okay. All right, you good? I'm good. Big neighborhood sale. Gotta get the truck. Pam's gonna wait down there for me. Hello, I'm your Uber.
Are you? I didn't call an Uber. Okay, let's go. Timmy, this is what it feels like to be killed.
Yeah. All right, it's Sunday. Let's hit a garage sale.
Sunday, Sunday.
Let's look at that sign. It's a big one. It's been like Star Trek lately, huh?
But I have those wheels. Like,
That's cool.
Look at this like melted clock.
It's kind of cool, huh?
Look at the minis.
Do you have the Wii console or anything you want to sell?
we
Or?
do. We have a full Wii console and a bit of games down over that way.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah. It's a black Wii.
Okay, I'll take a look at it.
Pulled right into the drive.
Good morning. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Oh.
Beautiful day.
It is a beautiful day. Did you guys push off the sale because of the weather?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah.
It was just too iffy.
Yep.
Didn't know.
Did he say you had the you had a Wii over here?
I have a whole Wii system here.
Have a good
We're
day.
gonna go fishing.
Oh, good.
Try and get some last fishing time.
Right.
Oop.
Everything's here. The
Okay.
controllers, the movement bar.
Okay, cool.
So I'm letting it all go for 70.
70?
Yeah.
Okay.
Had it up at camp, but nobody
Yeah.
used it. We thought everybody was going to use it. We're like, oh, forced family fun. This will be great.
Yeah.
No one used it.
Yep. Cool.
Everything works. And take the container too, if you're interested. Yep, all the instructions and whatever right there.
All right, everybody, we're back here in the old eBay room. And here's the haul of everything we got from those sales. Sorry about that last clip. The GoPro actually died. That was on Sunday. The GoPro died like mid-negotiation. I'll tell you what we paid for the Wii here in a minute. But we went to a big community garage sale. We got to meet a viewer, Chris. So once again, Chris, thanks for saying hi. Really appreciate it. And we didn't find a whole lot at the community sales. There just wasn't really much available. We got there later in the day because we went garage selling in another area to start. And we got there later in the day. It was like, I think it was like 10:30, 11 o'clock. And everything was just really, really picked through. And there wasn't a whole lot of stuff worth picking up. And it was a lot of just cheap stuff. And we didn't really find much. But I will show you the couple things that we did find. Nothing crazy. But we did find this set of dominoes. On these, I'm thinking maybe 10 bucks. Not very valuable. And then also picked up another set of bananagrams. And these will be good for fourth quarter. They're a good stocking stuffer. We've sold them in the past. They're like 10 bucks. They're like a $10 to $15 shipped little game. They're pretty light, so they'll ship first class. And yeah, I figured I'd pick them up. The guy actually wanted 25. I offered the guy, what did I offer him? $1 a piece for each one. And he came back and said 25 cents a piece. And I was like, no, dude, I'll just give you $1. I don't have quarters. So I thought that was kind of funny. But so anyway, yeah, we paid $1 for both those, so 50 cents a piece. And then I picked up this this little, what's it called? What do you call these things? Like Christmas decoration house things. This isn't very valuable either. Probably 10 to 15 on that as well. I comped it out. I looked it up. Not worth a whole lot of money, but especially with Christmas coming too, I figured, what the heck, I'll take a shot on some Christmas decorations, you know? But paid $1 for that, so that was cool. Other than that, we didn't really find that much at the community. There just really wasn't anything there worth picking up. But then on Sunday, we went to another garage sale, just one, and we actually went there right after we met up with Joe. And I picked up this Wii, and we paid $25 for this Wii. They were trying to get rid of it, and she just wanted it gone. So this is pretty awesome. Paid 25 bucks for it. It comes with pretty much 2 of everything except the Wiimotes. They have 3 Wiimotes, and it came with 2 nunchucks, this black one and a white one. And this one's a little dirty. Gonna clean it up a little bit. And then it came with the sensor bar, and it's a black Wii. And she said that they didn't use it very much, and I believe it. I mean, these are in really, really good condition. Everything's in great condition. She said that they had it at their camp, and they just didn't use it much. So obviously, you know, everybody's not at their camp every day of the week. So I'm sure it had minimal use. We'll test it out, make sure it works, but I don't see it not. Usually Wii's are pretty reliable as far as working. But it also came with a few games. It came with this right here, Super Mario Galaxy Soundtrack, which I guess is a CD. It's just music. And then it came with Super Mario Brothers Wii. That's a good one. And it came with Just Dance 3. It came with this tennis one. Those are low end. And then it also came with Wii Sports Resort, which is awesome. This is a good game too. Comes with everything in it. You know, I think these games are in like excellent shape. Yeah, not even a scratch on that one. But pretty sweet. I would say that's a good score for 25 bucks. I'll probably separate everything out. I'm not going to sell the Wii as a complete unit. You know, I'll sell the white Wiimote individually, the teal one individually, the black one individually. I'll probably sell the actual console itself by itself. I'll throw in the soundbar with it, and then all the cables. And then I'll sell all the games individually. I think I can make more money by separating everything out instead of selling it as one big lot. So the console alone, I should be able to get 35 to 40 for. And then the games, a couple of the games are like $15 to $20 games. And then the Wiimotes, I don't know, maybe 15 a piece for those. I'm not sure. But anyway, we'll definitely make a little money on it, which is nice. And it should move pretty quickly. But that is that. I also want to show you guys a package I just got in the mail. Okay, so here it is. Here's the box. I covered up the label, so we can't show any addresses or anything. But this came from a good friend of Pam and I, Justin over at RVA Flips. A lot of you guys might know what this is. I'm pretty excited to get mine. I'm gonna open it up right now. Let's see. It just arrived today in the mail. Let's see what we got. Here we go. All right. Nice and nicely packed. Very safe. I know it's not going to break. All right, look at these cards he had made are really cool. RVA Flips. Ryan and Pam, though we have never met, I consider you all some of my closest friends. If you guys ever need anything, let me know. I love you guys, and I'm so proud of everything you have accomplished. Justin, RVA Flips. Hell no. Oh, thanks, Justin. I really appreciate that nice note. It's gonna go on the refrigerator. How about that? So this is actually, I think I just killed my thing. Huh. Look at that. The ferry bridge has powers. I just killed my light. Look at that. These things have more power than you think. I hit it with the ferry bridge and it shut off. I think I killed the light. That's not good. Ruh-roh. Oh, man. Anyway, let's see what we got. So as you guys can see, it's a ferry bridge. Ugh. Man, Justin packed this good. So here it is, guys, the ferry bridge. The infamous ferry bridge. If you guys don't follow Justin RVA Flips, go check him out. I'm gonna leave his channel link below. Great friend of the channel. He's actually the one who discovered us on YouTube and gave us a shot. So Justin, thank you so much for the ferry bridge. I'm gonna treasure it forever. I'm excited. I think Justin sold like, I don't even know how many he sold. He sold a stupid amount of these things. But pretty cool nonetheless. I'm gonna find a good spot to leave this. I don't know if it'll be in the eBay room or not. I don't want it to get broken. But thank you, Justin, for the ferry bridge. I love it. And Pam and I are gonna treasure this forever. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. We will be seeing you guys soon. And have a great day, everybody. Catch y'all later.